Hello, my name is Brad Hobbs, and I'm a third-year PhD student in mechanical engineering and a researcher for HORC Lab, headed by Panos Artemiadis as the lab advisor and principal investigator. HORC Lab stands for Human-Oriented Robotics and Controls Lab, and here we basically work on research at the intersection of humans and robots. And we answer complex questions with the connection between humans and robotic devices, specifically to improve quality of life. And we do this in two ways, cognitively and physically, each with interaction, collaboration with humans. And as you'll see, we do this in many ways, whether it's with devices that assist and augment human capabilities, or with providing motor rehabilitation therapy to impaired individuals. So to do this, we've developed a state-of-the-art robotic treadmill system that allows for the surface stiffness to change as someone's walking on it. And since we're the only lab in the world that has one, it gives us a unique opportunity to observe how we anticipate, react, and adapt to both unexpected and expected changes in the walking surface stiffness. And this is where my personal research comes in. I'm actually looking into how we can predict how someone changes the way they walk when given visual feedback about the environment around them, and have developed a virtual reality environment where we use the Oculus Rift as a tool to modify the visual feedback to subjects. And we see how the subject reacts with both muscle surface electromyography as well as motion capture-based kinematics. And in the future, hope to model these responses mathematically in order to better provide targeted and individual-specific gait therapy to individuals with afflictions such as stroke.
Hello everyone, my name is Chrysostomos Karakassis and I'm a second-year PhD student in mechanical engineering at the University of Delaware. Now, since the beginning of my studies, back in 2019, I have been working as a research assistant at HORC Lab under the guidance of Professor Panos Artemiadis. Now, my research is currently focused on the control of prostheses for locomotion over compliant surfaces. Side projects include the modeling of human motion using the dynamical 3D dual sleep model and analyzing gait through the detection of heel strikes in real time. Now, my future research will be focused on simulating the dynamical model on compliant surfaces in order to test potential controllers for the ankle prosthesis. Hopefully, through this work, we will be able to develop a smart powered ankle foot prosthesis that supports increased mobility for real-life activities. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Ajitesh Singh and I'm a second-year PhD student in Mechanical Engineering Department. My research is in human-swarm interaction. I'm working on predicting future collective swarm behavior by looking at its macroscopic view. We are creating a model that narrows down on few agents which might be the leader in a swarm governed by leader-follower-control method. To give you a glimpse, I'll show you a video. In this video, the bigger dot represents the leader and leader-follower-control simulation, and we'll use machine learning techniques and probability methods to estimate a cluster containing the leader. In this video, as swarm progresses, our model draws a convex hull around the cluster which has the highest probability of containing the leader. Now, as you can see, over the period of time, we get the right cluster which contains the leader, and we want to use this information and bring human in the loop to make this methodology more precise and optimized to predict the future collective swarm behavior.
Hello, my name is Vaughn Chambers and I am a second-year mechanical engineering PhD student working in HORC Lab. My current research is focused on understanding and modeling the brain's involvement in interleg coordination during walking. In our lab, I use the variable stiffness treadmill to disturb subjects' walking pattern by lowering the stiffness of one side of our treadmill. Then I observe how the subject remains balanced by collecting data through motion capture, EMGs for muscle activity, and EEGs for brain activity. Additionally, I am currently working with a 3D gait model. I am using this model to simulate the experiments that we run on the variable stiffness treadmill. In the future, I hope to create a mathematical model that shows how the brain helps keep subjects balanced while walking on our treadmill. Hopefully, through this work, we can better understand how to rehab the brain and create patient-specific rehabilitation protocols that can help stroke victims regain their ability to walk in a safe and balanced manner. Thank you, You can visit our website by following the link or just Google HORC Lab to see a full list of all the projects that are currently being worked on in our lab. We have openings on all of our projects, so we hope to hear from you soon.